Good morning, friend. Today we are talking about the excavations work. You know that in constructions industry, if you are working in constructions industry as a safety professional, so then you should know that what is the hazards and what is the risk controls measures if you are going to excavate and use of excavator. So this is specific. We are talking about the excavator because of you know that and already study one accident, some safety alertness. So you should aware about those things which are happen in our construction industry. So guys, today we are talking about the excavator and excavations work safety. One incident happened approximately 2-3 years ago. One propellant that calls excavators fall into the excavated pit. Due to there are many regions are there. First region is operator not sufficient. No operator was not trained and unauthorized persons excavating and operating that at machine. Second thing, where is excavator parked and used excavator and positioning, that causes positioning, that area also not compacted, that area was very loose soils. Second reason. Third reason is there mentions the excavators positioning near the edge of pit, near the edge of excavated area. So 3-4 regions mandatory, 3-4 regions for that accident means that we can say root cause. And there is also uneven surface was there. Nobody monitoring, nobody carrying safety before starting the work. So after the investigations found many things finding gap related the behaviors, related the our safety systems. There are lapses of safety system because of operators without inductions, without ID cards, how to operating that type of machines. Also he was not perfect. He was a helper. We can say the workers was operating that type of machine. So guys, I think so there are lot of gaps, a safety management system. So we should aware about those things. Then we can improvements. Then we can avoid in our futures if any accidents us in this type of work. So guys, this is very important. Safety alerts. As a safety professionals, you should minimum 1-2 safety investigations case study must be read. Then you can understood where is gap to accidents happen at constructions industry. As a safety professionals, you should also read the newspapers because of know that there are many chances, many region for accidents happen in construction industry. Nowadays metro, you know that Pune also established a very high speeding to installations to build up a metro stations, underground metro and overhead metro. So there are constructions in progress. There are also 2-3 accidents happen due to negligence, due to these types of behavior. So we should aware about those things and how to implementations at constructions project. So guys, we are talking about the excavations, a specific of excavator. If you are going to start any excavations work and use of heavy equipments and like the excavator, so you should prepare a good safety plan. Plans means we cannot say a plan is nothing, but first we should consider about the people, process, equipment. First, right people, choose the right people. If you are going to start any activity, then first you should choose the right people because of this is a very important elements to you should aware and you should consider about the first Safety induction. First, right people means to which are well experienced persons, competent persons. If you are going to deployments of excavator operators, then you should minimum 3 years experience related the where is working in any organizations. That should experience certificate must be submitted in your safety office. And after that competency, you can check the competency level. As a safety professional, you shouldn't check the competency level with persons of engineers, with persons of concerns departments head must be present or check the competency level in availability of safety officer, and how much knowledge, how much knowledge to competent knowledge those people to deployment of work, then you should consider about those things. After that, experience certificate must be, this is also legal requirement. You can check the some driving license if any possibility to check it. After that, competency and trainings must be conducted. Suppose the safety inductions, medical examinations, and you should check the competency levels also. So those are required to perfect people's identify the work. After the right people to right job and monitoring by a competent supervisor related the which are well experienced persons also. Same apply to supervisors and same apply to engineers. Because of if they are not competent, then how to handle that type of work. After that, process. Our process should be clear, defined to each and every step to step work method statement. Work method statement, we can say the work methodology. How to prepare, how to develop a good work method statements. First, you should check the you should deploy the competent persons like the supervisor and engineers. After that, you should go on thoroughly check the excavated area. Where is deployment of excavator? Where is deployment to excavating the soils and some work. Then on ground check the what is the hazard in that area, what is the risk controls measure, what is the emergency situation. If in case of emergency, then how to handle that. Some overhead protections, there are some electrical cables and other outsource, in-source, both must be inspected. After that, make a step-to-step work method statement. Accordingly, you can make hazard risk assessment on ground with persons of engineer, with persons of supervisor, and every hazard must be considered. So proper hazard identifications, risk assessment, and as well as environment aspect and impact must be prepared before you start the any excavations work. Because of if you are going to start the excavations work, so environment aspect impact. Because of if you are going to start the any excavations work, there are many chance of environment may be polluted. So environment and aspect and impact also consider and retains environment aspect impact must be formulated, must be developed before you start the work. Three things is there. After the checklist, inspections checklist also is our part of process, part of planning. You should prepare a good instructions checklist, like the competency of workers, competency competency of workers, supervisors, and inspections checklist of heavy equipments which are going to use. And after that, some work permit system. Work permit system always a part of work, so we can define the hazards and risk controls measure. Because of work permit system is a written and procedures to you have understood, you have take the safety measures before starting the work. After that, After that, also risk. After that, you can consider about the all those uh, those documentations required for the a particular work. Because of this is the administrative controls, you have administrative control, and you have this is a part of planning. Because of if you have a good plan, then you can achieve a good productivity, and which you want to who successful, and successful, you can say that successfully you can, and work should be complete, work will be completed. If if you have no any plan, if you have no any planning about those things, so there is many possibility of accidents may be happen, and any serious and fatality may be happen. Because of that negligence is our signals for accidents. If you are doing negligence, then you can alarming the accident. So guys, you should good plan. After that, equipments must be checked. People, process, equipment. We are talking about the equipments. Good equipments must be deployment. Because of nowadays, that as a work pressure is more high, and everyone's try to shortcut. Some excavators, some heavy machines, damaged machines should be provided. Because of in market non availability of good type of market, good type of mechanisms, good type of equipment. So that time, so you should, as a safety professional, you should consider about the good conditions of machines, good conditions of equipment, vehicles, everything which are required to deployments. Otherwise, you can reject it. Because of I know that one incident I can share. I want to share you. Because in my projects, one passengers lift passenger lifts came into sight by the contractors, which are very damaged, which are very oldest. Maybe if maybe installations of that type of passengers washed, maybe chance of continuous breakdown, some defective, some maybe happen accidents, maybe some failure of equipments, and always our productivity will be also lost if breakdowns continuous. So we have take actions. We have take actions and decisions by the safety safety managers, including me and our project team, to reject the type of passenger list. And after the replacement of new passenger, so these decisions will be increase our moral and increase our confidence. We are rejected after 10 day, 20 day a delay work at our project. So there is nothing work stoppage, but we have saved one life. We have saved of accident in futures and unaccepted accidents. So these decisions should be taken by the all safety professionals. So equipments, we are talking equipments, good conditions. First, if any equipments, heavy equipments come in your sites, then first you should put check, pre-check in near the gate. After that, allow the entry in work premises. So this is a very good thing and good implementations to implement a good health safety culture. After that, excavators came into side and you are not aware, so that time so you go visit, this is not good. After nobody listen your comments, so you should take actions and get, and everybody must be aware about the if any equipment, if any heavy equipment will come into side, then first inform to safety department. Then and you can control, and then we can control the accidents. After that, some safety measures must be SOP should be developed. Because of this is also part of work. SOP means there are well trained how to park vehicles, what is the safety measures taken if you are going to establishment, if you are going to work, then and check the safety measures on site condition, like the if using of excavator there are moving area must be barricaded, unauthorized persons not entry, supervisor should be present, there is nothing overhead cables, check the positioning of excavators, how to positioning, there is maybe compacted area, driver will competent persons were aware about the utility hazards, and work permit must be take by the must be approval by the competent persons. So safety measures must be taken. If you are a safety professional, you should only for awareness purpose. What you need, what you should do. If you who observe, if you have noticed, if you have watched any accident, then you must be take actions and your plan. Then you can improvements of good morality of work. You can save the human life at your workplace. Thanks for watching my video. Today topic was the excavations as a excavator, because of I personally study the accidents. So there are root causes already aware. So what will be safety precautions taken in your plan? So you should aware and take safety precautions before you start. Thanks for watching my